This video is mainly for the people that ordered the downspouts. If you ordered on Black Friday, you got buy one get one free. Your box will contain 2, and if you order any other time, it'll contain 1. If we're about done processing the orders, by the time y'all watch this, within a couple of days we'll have all the orders shipped, so y'all's stuff is on the way. But if you really want one for the buy one get one free price, just email me or something and say pretty please, and I'll probably still give it to you. But for right now, what you're going to get, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and how to use it really quick so that y'all don't have any questions when you open up the box. So basically, this is going to be the buy one get one free. There's 2. Normally there's just 1. So of course you're going to get your downspout. That's what y'all ordered, right? So you've seen that in all the videos. You know what that's all about. You're going to get 24 of the pool noodle inserts. We'll talk about that. And you're going to get 2 bags of nutrient solution. Each one is good for 5 gallons of nutrients. So put that out there. So if you got the buy one get one free, you'll have 2 of these, 24 of the inserts, and you'll have 2 bags. There's another one in here. 2 bags of the nutrients. So that's all what's in here. We'll put that aside. So any other time of the year, this is what you get. 12 of these, 1 of those, and a bag of nutrients. Now, y'all know what that is from watching our videos. The pool noodles and the nutrients, about the same. I'll show you. We've got other videos, but I'll go ahead and show you really quick. Your nutrients. A little baggie says mix with 5 gallons of fresh water. You're going to get Master Blend and Epsom salt in 1 bag. And you're going to get calcium nitrate in another bag. Now I just take both of those, put them in a 5-gallon bucket, fill it up with water, stir it around, and it's good. Lots of people say that you have to mix calcium nitrate separately. If you feel like you need to do that, then go ahead and mix this with 2.5 gallons of water, mix this with 2.5 gallons of water, and then mix them together. But that's what that is. So that's enough for 5 gallons. This only takes about 1 gallon to fill up. So remember, you're not going to let this evaporate all the way. You're never going to refill with a whole gallon. So you're going to keep it between 1/2 and 3/4. So at the most you're going to be putting 1 quart in at a time. So this is going to last you through a couple of grows with that. Your pool noodles, I'm not going to cut them. This is just a section from the pool noodle, just like the toy y'all saw, you know, that the kids play with during the summertime, like 4 feet, right? You take it and you cut it. You can just use a little hacksaw blade. Cuts really easy. Or you can get the whole hacksaw with the handle on and everything. It's not that difficult. And I'm not going to cut these because if you get some transplants like lettuce and they're big, like a head already, and they have the roots, you can just wash the roots off and stick it in here. The leaves will hold it up. Just let the roots dangle down. You pop it right in there and it works like that. Now if you get something like your microgreens, you have to cut it. I usually make 1 cut like this, right through it, and then just move over maybe about 1/2 inch. Cut again, and you have this little piece come out, right? And that fits right in the middle there. And it's not a perfect fit, so y'all have seen this before. There's a little bit of light. See, you can see through it a little bit. That's so your plant can sit down through there and you won't like squash it. So make sure you don't put it in there and squash it. If you're having to really squeeze and all those openings get squished down, you want to go ahead and pull it out and trim a little bit more off. But basically you can put it in there and the plant can still move around. So you're not holding the plant, you're just holding it up. Basically its leaves will hold itself up, and then you let the roots go down into the nutrient solution. So that's that. Basically that's what comes in there. Take this out, mix you up 5 gallons of nutrient solution, fill this up. You're not going to be able to fill it up all the way because the ends aren't sealed up. So even if you try to fill it all the way up, you won't be able to. There'll be a little tiny gap, which is good for microgreens. If you're going to get a transplant that already has a set of roots on it, go ahead and fill this up and leave it about 3/4 of the way. Don't fill it right to the top. So put you some transplants in there, you're ready to go. So really simple. Like I said, I like to keep things as simple as can be. You put some nutrient solution in there, get your little transplants, you're ready to go. I want to thank everybody who purchased any of these. You're really helping out the channel, supporting the channel, and I love you all for that. Can't believe that 2019 is already gone and right around the corner from 2020, New Year. So y'all tell me what you want to see next year. Got all those broccoli greens out there growing, and I've still got a couple of videos that we filmed during the fall, and I still haven't got a chance to edit them yet. So even if it gets cold, I've still got some videos to put out for y'all. So thank you. You guys, I'll probably see you before then, but if I don't, have a Merry Christmas. Mr. Doozy out. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire, keep on growing. I love y'all.